How to install Grammarly in Google extension. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Chrome and in the search bar, search for grammarly.com. It will land you on this official page of Grammarly. Well, if you are logged into your account, then all you want to do is log out of your account and be in this official page. Now scroll all the way down. Inside Get Grammarly, click on Grammarly for Chrome and then tap on Add to Chrome for free. It will redirect you to this page. Tap on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. You need to wait for a while for it to process. And there you go, the extension has been successfully added to the Chrome. Now you can just head over to Grammarly and log into your account with your access details. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your Google Chrome. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner and then head over to Extensions. Inside Extensions, you will definitely see the Grammarly extension has been added. So that's it, and this is simply how you can install Grammarly in Google extension. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.